Hello friends, my name is Taufik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use object fill option in Figma. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. So first I'm going to choose an object, let's say rectangle. Now we have to begin with our basic fill, and if you don't see this option over here, let's say we have option something like this, then we have to click on this plus mark and we have to add a fill. So this is the solid color, means single color fill. We can choose any color that we like. Then we have gradient. So gradient, just like any other application, we can choose multiple colors. So let's say I want this color over here, and if you want to add extra point, simply click on this strip. So it will be extra point will be created like this. So let's say I want to add yellow color like so, and if you want to change the color which was already there, you can simply click on the color and change it by clicking on it. And if you want to change the angle, again go here. If you want to change the angle, simply click and drag to change the angle. We can also change or displace the points, the color points like this. Again we can change the angle from here as well. Simply click, or the simple method. Now we have multiple options in gradient, like linear. This is linear, which basically means simple first, second, third and whatever colors. Again we have radial like this, radial. If you don't want this, simply click and remove. This is radial. Again we have angular. It looks something like this, angular gradient. Again click here over here. Then we have diamond. We get a diamond like shape, which is pretty basic. So first we saw solid color, which is single color, then gradient, then we have pattern. Now pattern is a interesting thing. I will undo this, Ctrl Z or Command Z. So let's say I want to create a pattern, so I will choose, or create rather, a circle. I will change color to something like this. Again I will, by selecting the move tool, I will press Alt or Option. Again I will press Ctrl D to copy like this, and I will select this, again Alt or Option. If you are using Mac, then Option, and for Windows it's Alt plus left click and drag, so it will copy the selected area. Again fill, I will select a different color. Again I will copy this and I will change the color. Now if this is a simple design. So first of all I will select itself. I haven't created this into a group, so let's see how it reacts. So again go to, now you have to click over here, and now pattern and select source. If you click on select source and if I click over here, then the selected option will be filled in the given shape. Now we can change the scale, spacing, XY spacing like this, like so. This is the type, tile type, hexagonal or horizontal or rectangular rather, like so. Now alignment, we can change alignment like this. Now if I want this entire thing, I have to convert this into a group. So select, right click and convert this into a group selection. You can see over here, this is a group now. So group. Now if I do the same thing, again go to fill, pattern, and again select source, and if I click on this, now the entire group will be filled like this. So this is the difference. If we convert this into a group, entire group will be filled, or if we don't, then the single object will be used as a fill color. So this is the pattern. Now we have image, so we can choose any image from your computer. So let's see, if I want to add this one, I will select this one and open. As you can see, this is now filled as color image. Now interesting thing is, if I change the size of this, the image also changes, and as you can see, it adjusts automatically. It is not going out of proportion, so it adjusts accordingly, like so, like this. But there is a thing, this is the fill option, but instead of fill, if we choose fit or crop, let's say we choose crop, now we have to press shift and then it will resize in proportion. Now I have chosen crop. Now see what happens, the proportion goes away. So if you want to change the resize the image in proportion, we have to choose the first option, fill. Only then it will change in proportion. Any other option, it won't change, like this. Now tile, it is not changing at all. It is fixated in one place. But if you choose fill, it will change accordingly, like this. So this is how we can use object fill in Figma. This last option is in paid version. So presently I am only showing the free version. So this we have to choose the paid version. So this is what we can do in free version. So if you want image, then pattern and gradient and single color. I will press undo. So this is how we can use object fill in Figma. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.